Look like a child.
I dropped something. I'm trying to find it.
My glasses!
Oh, my glasses. Where'd they go? Oh, this part's good. It's like a brush for your fingers. It feels kind of good. Yeah. Where's he going?
And now we try it out.
It's dripping. Oh, I just dripped on my head. Okay, now that. Oh, you're pushing it? Oh, it's getting a lot easier. I didn't touch it that time. They got like super easy to open. It like went on its own. Yeah, it did. Oh wow. Is that easy? Oh wow. Yeah, I had to slow it down. Oh. We should get like really sturdy. Oh yeah, like an open and close handle. Makes me really want to get rid of all these. I think that'll help a lot. That oil might kill them. It's been dripping. But that's cool. Yeah, that's neat.
Yeah, buddy!